I'm working on a new project, and I've asked a friend who's on the opposite coast of us in California to do this virtually. She does a lot of work with clients virtually. So Rachel Moriarty from San Diego is going to work with us on a condo that we are looking at. How do we redo it? We're not sure if it's going to be a rental. We're not sure if it's going to be a VRBO. We're not sure if we'll sell it, but it needs some help. So Rachel, can I take you on a tour and have you help me?
Absolutely, I'm excited to see it.
All right, here we go. So Rachel, as I'm walking into this condo does have vaulted ceilings. It certainly needs to be repainted. Then there are lots of little architectural details I'd like to talk with you about. It does have a gas fireplace. We just put new logs in there.
Okay, Ellen, as you're walking through, what I'm going to do on my clipboard, I'm taking notes. I don't know if anybody knows, but you're in North Carolina and I'm in San Diego, California. That's why we're FaceTiming right now. And what we'll do is we'll go through and I'll be taking notes. And I think how we should attack it is we'll take notes of everything. We'll create a wish list. And then from there, we'll decide what the priorities will be based on your budget and how you want to use it.
Perfect.
And I'm just going to riff a couple of things. I think it's got a lot of architectural details that aren't like, some you want to stand out and some we want to minimize, I would think.
Right.
And then I'm sure there's some architectural elements on the left and right of that fireplace that we might want to address.
Absolutely, I'll just show them to you. One is this shelf that is right here. I don't know what it is other than some place where you might put tchotchkes or collect dust.
Yeah.
Over here, it does the same thing, and then it doesn't go up to the ceiling, and I spoke with him about putting drywall up there.
So that's one of those things too. So if we are able to drywall and it has that little shelf or lip or whatever that is, we may want to keep it on both sides to balance out the space.
Got it.
We'll have to see what the contractor says.
What I had asked the contractor to do was possibly take out the this doorway, or maybe square it off and put 2 glass doors in there, something, if we wanted to make this into a room. This room I love because it has a lot. I mean, it has 4 windows and a door going out to a patio. So it's a bright room.
Beautiful.
So it could be a sunroom, playroom. It could be an extra bedroom. And then this is, it's really not an island or anything for sitting because you can see how short it is. Possibly taking down this part of the wall and coming down to maybe here, which is where the cabinet is.
Right. Yeah.
And talk about if we should do that, just to open this up just a little bit.
Just another kind of riff on the kitchen is two-tone kitchens are very, not even on trend, they're very timeless. I like a tuxedo, which is a black lower cabinet and a white upper.
Okay.
So that might be something we can consider. It would make the bottom would just, it wouldn't break up where the black appliances, it would blend everything in with the dishwasher. So that might be something we can consider, and it looks custom, and it's not a big investment.
Okay, so now we are in the master bedroom, and you can see it has some interesting architectural details. Again,
I would almost like to see if we could get a quote on just taking that drywall all the way up.
Okay.
And just kind of minimizing all of these, all of the choppiness.
Right. This is the master closet, and again, I would think that we would redo these shelves. So then we're going to go into the master bath, and right now it has stenciling around here, and it does have a fan. It does have, probably have to get some new pieces here. Before we look at the other places, both the laundry room and the closet, I want to take you into this bedroom. It is a small bedroom, second bedroom. It's actually not that small for a second bedroom. I'm going to take you across before we go into the bathroom to the laundry room, which is right here. And then this is a second bathroom. So what else would we do to make this feel better? And the only space you haven't seen in here is the linen closet. So it's a small linen closet. And I think every time we can make better use of space, why not try and do that?
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm working with Rachel Moriarty of Rachel Moriarty Designs in San Diego. We have taken the walkthrough. She has ideas that I can't even see, but she says it's gonna look fabulous. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna let you see what it takes to work with someone across the country, one coast to the other. So thank you for joining me, Rachel. Bye, guys.